Deleting information records from stores. To delete records that are already stored in stores, we can select the delete methods that are embedded in the desired store. For example, there are delete methods from the store called PersonInfo. Delete all option to delete all data records and delete by ID to delete with the ID filter. In this method, the input parameter ID is an information record that is an ID of the unique identifier type. Subsequent methods are conditional on the record information fields. For example, delete all where first name equals is to delete all people whose first name is equal to a value. Or delete all where last name equals to delete all people whose last name is equal to a value. For other conditions, it's clear at the end of their name what the condition is. For example, delete all where first name starts with means deleting all records whose first name starts with a specific word or phrase. Or delete all where first name contains means to delete all people who have a word in their first name. Contains means the beginning and the end of their names do not matter. Here we select delete by last name. Delete all where last name equals. For function, we define an input of string type, which is the input parameter of the last name. Using the item block, we put last name here and we can return a value for the function output. As it turns out, the delete all where last name equals method has no output, so we cannot put it in the return block. We can show a text here that says deleted on the message. Rename function to delete by last name, then save. We want to delete all people whose last name is Smith. If we go back to previous address, select Get Persons Filter by last name and enter Smith here. It is clear that nothing will return in the results section because we deleted the person whose last name was Smith. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.